managing Wales True Taste Food and Drink Awards since 2010. The main aim of the campaign is to generate entries from trades, for example, producers, restaurants and retail. It's also to raise consumer awareness of the True Taste Awards and the brand itself, as well as award-winning produce from Wales, and also to build relationships with the trade, the multiples and support organisations. It's a 10-month cycle of activity that involves multiple channels from direct mail to telemarketing, online, press advertising, as well as TV and video production, and of course event management for the ceremony at the end of the year. In 2011 we came up with the People's Choice Awards concept. The idea was to involve consumers in the process of nominating their favourite eating or retail experience. Previously and traditionally, restaurants, butchers, fishmongers, farm shops, etc. could only nominate themselves for the True Taste Awards, but we wanted to help raise consumer awareness by involving the consumers, so we came up with this concept. So in 2012 we decided to launch it by sending out packs to the retailers across Wales and restaurants, encouraging them to promote themselves. So hopefully we thought this would then spiral into raising consumer awareness by the businesses promoting themselves. We had over 1,500 nominations for restaurants, butchers, delis, etc. across Wales, which was a fantastic result. We also managed to broker a deal with ITV Wales on a programme to feature the winners and the People's Choice Awards ceremony itself, which was broadcast in July and had over 400,000 viewers.